How do you use vulnerability when dating? Too many people have this misconception that being vulnerable when you're first getting to know someone is TMI, too much information. But that's not what it's about. It's not like you're going to go on a date and say, let me tell you about my horrible relationship with my mother. No, it's about sharing who you are in an authentic way. And there are 3 ways you can do that. Number 1 is getting away from factual talk and actually sharing things that are more personal in nature. Too many people spew facts back and forth rather than sharing a personal story. Number 2, use feeling words. This is where emotional intelligence comes in. Instead of playing it safe and just spewing again a bunch of factual things about something, use emotive type of words to solicit that attraction factor. I call them emotional triggers. And the 3rd thing is leaning into the vulnerability rather than being victim of it. And so if you are a little anxious about sharing something about yourself, or you're nervous approaching someone, instead of pretending that you're not nervous, lean into it and say, I was really nervous to come talk to you. Those are the kinds of connections that create an emotional intimacy later on. And if you want to know more and what kind of dater you are, take my dating diagnosis quiz in the link below.